There is something that you have been dying to learn, something that you're working on now. You cannot wrap your head around. Well, guess what? There is a tutor hiding inside of Claude, and it takes 2 clicks to switch it on. It will then teach you how to do something that you've been putting off for years. Today, I'm going to show you how to do this, and it will take about as much time as it takes to make a cup of coffee. We're going to flip that switch together because welcome to summer school. This is my series where I'm showing you all summer long how to use Claude or your favorite AI bot in order to get things actually done and no longer feel left behind. It doesn't matter whether you've been here for a while, whether you're brand new to AI, or you've just been a little bit scared, this is it. Stick around. Especially if you don't use Claude, stick around. I'm just using Claude to keep this thing simple. So what we're gonna do is flip this sucker together. Let's switch over to Claude real quick. And again, I promise you, 2 clicks. We're gonna come over into the very top of Claude, and we're gonna click on this little thing right here and come down to where it says Customize. In Customize, at the very top, you're going to see something that says Skills. Now, you're going to want to click on Skills. Once you click the plus button, it will allow you to add a skill. You can go to Browse Skills or Create Skills. We're going to do Browse. Make sure you see this Anthropic and Partners in here. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and the skill that we want to press on is this one called Learn. But let's click it first so you can see what it is. Use this skill basically to teach you anything. This was designed by Anthropic, so I know it works. And you'll see there's something called a skill MD here, something called a license text. All you want to do is press install, and that sucker will get it installed. And now it is ready to go. You'll see it right here in your list. Now, you won't see all these other things I have in mind, and I'll teach you how to build skills later, but that's a whole separate video. I wanted to keep this one really simple. So there it is. I mean, super simple. Open up settings, go to capabilities, flip on the switch. Quick heads up before we move along. If you don't see this skill in here, don't worry. I do have a way to do this even if you don't have the skill. So again, stick around and we'll dive into that later. So we're going to jump into Claude and we're going to hold down the microphone and have it do a little recording. Teach me how compound interest actually works. There you go. I don't have to invoke anything else. All I need to do is go ahead and press the button. And what should happen is Claude would do a little blinkings and thinking, and as it's thinking, you should see something that pops up that will say, looking for the learn skill, and that'll let you know it's working. If you expand this, the learn skill is designed specifically for this type of intellectual understanding. So this little box right here, that's the 2 arrows up and down, that'll allow you to see what's going on with the thinking. So it's going ahead, it's reading the learn skill, and it's going to come up with an incredible explanation. I'm going to speed this up. There it is right there. Claude has given us everything we need to know about compound interest and more. And if you want to know more, you could go in the bottom in the chat box and ask a follow-up question. You could even say, hey, give me some visuals because I need to see pictures. I want to see pictures. It'll drop the visuals for you. There's even a little play button there that just like an old cassette recorder, that will play an audio version that you could play as you read along if that's something that helps you. As they say in the streets, fam, there you go. Pick your poison. Pick your thing. Those guitar chords you never finished, how to read that profit and loss statement, and for my content creators, what every dial or button in your camera or software actually does. That thing you keep saying you finna learn someday, today is the day. Bring that into the chat right now before you even close this video. Go click on the learn thing and then just start typing. Now, let us know in the comment section below what you're fixing to jump into. Now, I promise this for all of my people on the free plan. If you didn't see that button, or maybe you just use another tool that is not exactly Claude, all you need to do is spout some version of this into your chatbot. Say, for this conversation, be my tutor, not an answer machine. I want to learn, put in your thing. Ask me one question to see where I'm at, then teach me one step at a time. When I get stuck, nudge me instead of handing me the answer. It's basically the same tutor. There's no setup. If you have an exact question, you could always ask me below. Maybe I'll help you figure out how to do it in whatever version of chatbot you use. But Claude calls it skills. I really don't remember what they call it in the other ones, but we'll figure that out. Somebody in the community will help you down below. You didn't just watch this video today. You learned something. Right there is the whole game. For me, it's about effort over everything. As long as you're trying, you're good. You got to show up to blow up. You got to keep moving. and you got to drop whatever it is that you're learning in the comment section below so that we can cheer you on. I just want to say thank you for being here and welcome to another day of summer school. If you got something out of this video, pop that like button. It goes a long way to helping the channel. If you want to learn more about how to get caught up on AI so you don't feel left behind, make sure you click on the summer school playlist so you can stay up on what we're working on all summer long as we get good with the good. Now, again, I want to know in the comments what you were working on. What did you point your tutor at? Tell us in the comment section below. Whatever it is, you already got permission to start, so just do it. Today is that day. Now, right about now, the algorithm is going to show you another video they think you should watch, and I agree with them.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk.